name is Kusumayani. Today I'm in one of the best waterfall in Dian. It is Tegenungan Waterfall. Tegenungan Waterfall located in Kusumayani village, Dian.
If you are a good swimmer, you should be fine. But the waterfall is quite powerful. And there are again signs and even red boys in the water.
I think I will have a great traveling experience. Let's see my activities during Tegenungan Waterfall. So you can see what we can do in this place. Let's go.
In Tegenungan Waterfall, you can see the beautiful waterfall of the top. Not only that, in Tegenungan Waterfall have some spot. It's great for take a picture. Not only great spot, if you like trekking, it's a great place for it. Because forget this waterfall, you have to trekking down 165 stairs. But if you are tired, it will gone when you see the beautiful of the waterfall. Tegenungan Waterfall will give you a great experience while you visiting this waterfall.
If you want to enjoy the great view of Tegenungan Waterfall, so let's to visit this waterfall.
After you done activities in the waterfall, you can take a rest in some shop there. You can enjoy food and drinks available. Not only enjoy the food, but you also can buy some souvenir, especially Dian souvenir. Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video, and please keep clean this waterfall so that it can be enjoyed by many people later. Thank you.